Good morning, children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Today I am going to teach you subject English, class 2, lesson The Crow's Nest, practice book exercise. I will explain you, children. Last online class I explained you textbook exercise, no children. Now today I am explaining practice book exercise. Lesson 10, The Crow's Nest. Lesson name what, children? The Crow's Nest. Lesson 12 in the textbook, lesson 12 in the practice book, lesson 10, children. Don't worry about the lesson number. Lesson 12, The Crow's Nest. All the animals come to see the fight. I explain you now, children. When the crow and parrot fighting, all the animals come to see the fight. Choose the correct word from the help box which describes each animal and write it under each animal. Here, choose the correct word from the help box which describes each animal. Here, help box, children, which describes each animal and write it under each picture. Here, you should know about describing words. What is describing words? All the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. You remember, children? All the words which describe the naming words. For example, naming word means elephant, monkey, rabbit, fox, bear. All the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Okay, about naming words we will describe with any word. All the words which describe the naming word are called describing words. You have to remember what is describing words. All the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Now, here see, children. Here in the help box given naughty, black, big, clever, soft. These all words are describing words. You know now, children, all the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Now, a dash elephant, a big elephant. About elephant, here we are describing big or small, or these words are describing words. Here help box, some words is given, no? With the help of help box. A dash elephant, a big elephant, a dash monkey, a naughty monkey, a naughty monkey. Okay, children. Here about elephant you have to describe. So a big elephant you can write. Here about monkey you have to write. Then what you will write? In the help box, naughty is there, no? Naughty monkey. Here about rabbit. About rabbit we have to describe. A soft rabbit. Okay, children, we are explaining here. We are describing about rabbit. A soft rabbit. Fox. Always clever fox, na? A clever fox. We are describing about fox. A clever fox. Bear. A black bear. Okay, children, you remember all the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Okay, children, understood, children? Now, worksheet 2, children. Work with your partner means your friend. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks using words from the help box. These all are also describing words. Help box, what words are there? Hot, old, okay, children, fat, heavy, beautiful, red. These all are describing words. What you have to do? Fill in the blanks using words from the help box. Now, first one, see the picture, children. Sweta picked up a dash bag, heavy bag. We are describing about bag, heavy or light. Heavy bag. Mrs. Sharma is an dash lady. See here. Mrs. Sharma is an old lady. You are describing lady, old or young. She is old, no children. Mrs. Sharma is an old lady. Rahul is a dash boy. You see children, Rahul. He is Rahul. Rahul is a fat boy or thin boy? Fat boy. So Rahul is a fat boy. Ayush like to drink dash milk. Hot milk. See children. Rahul likes to drink hot milk. Hot or cold he likes. These all are describing words children. I told you no children. All the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. My uncle bought a beautiful dress. See children. Beautiful dress. My uncle bought a beautiful dress. Okay children. Now first one. Sweta picked up a heavy bag. Mrs. Sharma is an old lady. Rahul is a fat boy. Ayush like to drink hot milk. My uncle bought a beautiful dress. These all are what children? Heavy, old, fat, hot, beautiful. These all are describing words children. Remember children, all the words which describe the naming words are called describing words children. Okay children. Now sixth one. I gave dash flowers to my mother. See children, which color flowers? Red. I gave red flowers to my mother. Red is a describing word children. Remember children, all the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Now worksheet 3 children. Read about Geetu and underline the words which describe her. In this sentence, which word is describing Geetu? This is Geetu. Naming word what children? Geetu. What we are describing? This is Geetu. This is the describing word. She is tall and thin. In this sentence, she is tall and thin. Describing about her, she is tall and thin. Tall and thin, underline children, describing word. She has long black hair. Long, describing no, her hair is long. We are describing no, so underline long. BLACK, black. You have to underline black. Okay children. The long and black are describing words. She is 8 years old. How many years old? 8. Describing how many years. So she is 8, underline. She has chubby cheeks. Chubby, describing about her cheeks. So she has chubby, underline chubby, describing word. She has chubby cheeks. She is a sweet girl. Sweet is describing about girl. So sweet you have to underline. Now tall, thin, long, black, 8, chubby, sweet. These all are describing words children. This is Geetu. She is tall and thin. She has long black hair. She is 8 years old. She has chubby cheeks. She is a sweet girl. In these sentences, what are describing words? You have to underline. Tall, thin, long, black, 8, chubby, sweet. Okay children. Now paste a picture of your best friend in the box given below. Write a few lines on her or him. You can paste here your best friend photo and you can write about her or him. For example, Niranjana is my best friend. She is a best friend. You are describing about your friend. She is a clever girl. Clever is a describing word. She is tall and thin. Okay children? Okay children, you can write your friend name and you can describe her. This is describing words. Clever, tall. Remember children, all the words which describe the naming words are called describing words. Okay children, here I am giving small assignment to you children. Read and write worksheet 2 two times children. Okay children. See you children, we will meet you in the next online class.